Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Sdn Bhd. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 3-digit countdown timer. Where you can see, now we are counting down from 5 seconds, and the relay contacts, this is the LED light up around 3 seconds. For the size of this display, the width is 370 mm and the height is 210 mm, and the character size is 150 mm. Let's start our demonstration today. Let's stop first. Press the red color button to stop. So basically, this controller communicates with these two displays. And to start the countdown, just press start. Stop. If you want to reset, press the purple color button to reset. This is how it looks like. So to go into the mode, press and hold the mode. So this is the desired time that you want to count down from. So this countdown timer will be keep on continue countdown from the time that we set. They keep on looping. So the maximum of the time that you can count down is 999 seconds. Okay. For the demonstration purpose, I set 3 seconds. Okay. Next, press and hold. This is the relay time. So for the demonstration purpose, I set 1 second. Okay, done. Press and hold again. So I count down from 3 seconds and my direct contact relay will light up 1 second. Start. It will keep on continue. So here takes around 1 second and it will keep on counting down. 3 and light up. 3 seconds and light up until the operator press the stop button. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.